Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find your Gmail account by phone number. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Firstly, you just simply have to open any browser on your phone, or you can use Google here too. After opening the browser or Google, just simply search Find Your Email here. After searching that, you'll get the Find Your Email option at the top of the search tab. From there, you just simply have to click on that option. It will lead you to the sign-in page of Google. You just simply have to click your phone number which is linked to your email. Now, you have to enter your first name and last name into that Gmail, which you are searching for. And now, at this page, just simply click on this Send button down here. Now, you will get the verification code sent to the phone number that you have entered. You just simply have to enter that verification code in this box here. Simply copy that code and paste it, then click on this Next button. After following these very easy steps, you can easily log in or find your Gmail account by phone number. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video. Okay.